Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how many reports are needed to delete an Instagram account. Now, there are a couple of things you have to kind of keep in mind before we actually go over this, and that is, it depends what kind of reports, what kind of reports are, reported on your account. So that is number one thing when it comes to how many reports are needed to delete an Instagram account. Now let's take a look at some of the other things. Now, as you can see, the number of reports doesn't matter and doesn't determine the outcome, as you can see. Now, Instagram doesn't have a rule about termination based on the number of reports. In fact, if your Instagram account is in violation of its policies, they have the right to disable the account based on a single complaint. It depends how good or actually how bad the report is. Now, as you can see, the type of violation matters. Now, the nature of the content might play a role in a termination time, right? So if an account is violating the rules in a more flagrant way, such as by sharing, this right here, I will not say this out loud, or illegal content, then it's likely to be terminated faster than accounts who share content that might be more subjective. Now, again, harassment and bullying, also explicit content is also easier to identify, so you can get banned on that as well. So how many reports are needed to delete an Instagram account? It could be one single report or it could be many reports. So if you're not doing anything against the Instagram algorithm, and if people are reporting you, then you will need much more or many reports to be deleted. However, if you are violating the policies in terms of use and terms of services on Instagram, then you will be reported once or twice and your account will be deleted. So that's kind of from my experience, what I saw from my experience, but that's how many reports are needed to delete an Instagram account. Now, I hope this video is still somewhat useful to you. If it was, then definitely consider subscribing down below, and we'll see you in the next video.